I am from Gaugrass Math Hub. I am going to discuss a multiple choice question number 15, exercise 4.2, that is belong to chapter 4 determinants in CRT 12 mathematics. Question number 15, exercise 4.2 equal to let A be a square matrix of order 3 cross 3, comma, then det K is equal to option A, K dot det A, option B, K square dot det A, option C, KQ dot det A, option D, 3K dot det A. This is the question about which I am going to discuss here. Here I shall write solution. First of all, there are 4 options. Out of the 4 options, only one option is correct. This is a question based on multiple choice question. Here I shall write solution. Solution implied that let since A is a square matrix, then square matrix of order 3 cross 3, then let capital A equal to, since capital A is a square matrix of order 3 cross 3, that's why here I have written capital A. Capital A will be a square matrix of order 3 cross 3. So let capital A equal to opening of square bracket I shall do here. The elements of first row I shall write A1, B1, C1. Element of second row I shall write A2, B2, C2. The elements of second row I have written A2, B2, C2. The elements of third row I shall write A3, B3, C3. The elements of first row A1, B1, C1. The elements of second row A2, B2, C2. The elements of third row A3, B3, C3. Capital A is a matrix, square matrix of order 3 cross 3. Why 3 cross 3? Because in the matrix capital A, there are 3 rows, first rows, second rows, third rows. And also there are 3 columns, first column, second column, third column. Here first 3 represents number of rows, and here second 3 represent here number of columns. So there are 3 columns you can see, first column, second column, third column. And also there are 3 rows, first rows, second rows, third rows. A is the square matrix of order 3 cross 3. Then implied that I can write, here you can see Ka. So here I shall write small k A. This means that small k dot opening of vertical line, not vertical line, opening of square bracket I shall do here, because here I am going to write matrix A, K dot matrix A I am going to write here. Elements of first row A1, B1, C1. The elements of second row A2, B2, C2. The elements of third row A3, B3, C3. Here you can see small k is going to multiply the square matrix A. Then in each case, here I shall write implied that Ka is equal to opening of square bracket I shall do here. Here you can see, say K is multiplied to the square matrix capital A. K is multiplied, small k is multiplied to the square matrix capital A. In this case, each element of the square matrix A will multiply by k. So here k will multiply to element A1, k is multiplied to element A2, element B1, k is multiplied to element C1, k is multiplied to element A2, k is multiplied to element B2, k is multiplied to element C2, k is multiplied to element A3, k is multiplied to element B3, k is multiplied to element C3. If you multiply the scalar small k to the square matrix capital A, you will get the matrix like this. Each element of the matrix A will get multiplied to scalar k. This thing will get here. When you take the mod, when you take date of k, you will get here like this. Ka1, Kb1, Kc1, Ka2, Kb2, Kc2, Ka3, Kb3, Kc3. You will get this one. Implied that here I shall write date k equal to, here you can see date k I have mentioned here. In this case, when you will find the determinant of k, then date Ka1, Kb1, Kc1, Ka2, Kb2, Kc2, Ka3, Kb3, Kc3, you will find. Date of k you will get. Here, from the first row, we shall take k as a common. So here k will become. From the second row, take k as a common, k will be written. And from the third row, take k as a common, k will be written. So you will get date like this: A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3. You will get this one. Implied that here I shall write date K equal to small k multiply to small k multiply to small k. All these k, small k, will get multiplied. So here we will get k raised to power 3 and here write element this is whole thing comes out to matrix. Here you can see A1 B1 C1 A2 B2 C2 A3 B3 C3 you have got. So here we will write this one. So here you can see this is k raised to power 3. So this will be the correct answer you have got. Let us see which option is correct here. So here you can see option C, k raised to power 3 dot date. This is date, not matrix. Here write date. Because k is multiplied to k square multiplied to k will get here k cube, and this whole thing comes out to here date. This is matrix. If you get here date will be this one. This is date A. Since the matrix A is, this one is of order 3 cross 3, the date A will always be of a square matrix. The date A is equal to this one you will get. So here we have got k raised power 3 dot date. This will be the correct answer you have got here. C is the correct option. Okay. So here you have got, here I shall write answer. Answer implies that the option C is the correct answer. This is the proper solution and explanation of question number 15, exercise 4.2, in which the correct answer will be option C here. Okay guys, thanks.